Hi, welcome everybody to our tutorial of MA classes. In this video, we will be solving the exercise 1.4 of algebra from 9th standard. It's a exercise from last exercise of first chapter, that is set. We will see over here, we are going to solve these questions with the help of this formula. Number of element in A union B is equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. With the help of this formula, we will be solving the sum. Now, let us see and analyze about the question number 3 of exercise 1.4. In a competitive exam, 50 students passed in exam. 60 students passed in maths, 40 passed in both. None of them fail in both the subject. Find the number of students who pass at least in one of the subject. Now, let us suppose that student who passed in assume that students who passed in maths BA and students who passed in English B set B. अब यहाँ पे if we will analyze in a competitive exam 50 student pass in English, तो इसका मतलब ये हो गया नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट बी कितना होगा 50 और स्टूडेंट हु पास इन मैथ्स, इसका मतलब नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए कितना होगा 60. फोर्टी स्टूडेंट पास इन बोथ द एग्जामिनेशन. 40 स्टूडेंट दोनों एग्जामिनेशन में पास हुए हैं, मैथ्स में भी और इंग्लिश में भी. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि नंबर ये ए इंटरसेक्शन बी है. ये जो है 40 जो है वो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी है. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये स्टूडेंट जो है दोनों मैथ्स और इंग्लिश दोनों में पास हुए हैं. तो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी जो है नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी जो है तुम्हारा 40 है. हमें क्या मालूम करना है? हमें मालूम करना है फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हु पास एट लीस्ट इन वन ऑफ द एग्जाम इन वन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. सो वी आर सपोज टू फाइंड ए यूनियन बी. हमें यहाँ पे क्या मालूम करना है कि ए यूनियन एटलीस्ट वन एग्जाम में पास हुए कितने बच्चे हैं वो हमें मालूम करने का. वी आर सपोज टू फाइंड ए यूनियन बी एंड आई हैव शोन यू द फॉर्मूला हाउ टू फाइंड ए यूनियन बी. A union B is equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. So we can easily find it out now. Number of element in A union B is equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. So number of element in A matlab the student who has appeared for the maths examination and have passed, that is 16. I am going to write over here 16. Number of element in B, that is a person who has appeared for the English examination and have passed, that is 16. Number of element in A intersection B, that means the person or the students who have appeared for both maths and English and have passed in both maths and English examination, and that's 40. So I am going to substitute the value over here 40. Now 60 plus 50 comes to 110 minus 40. So answer will be 70. So 70 students are there who have passed in both the examination, that is maths and English. दोनों एग्जामिनेशन में पास हुए, मैथ्स और इंग्लिश दोनों में. So number of student students passed in at least maths or English is 70 students. Hope you would have understood, and we are going to continue with the 1.4 in the next video. Thanks for watching our video.